Winter weather advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. EST Tuesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. EST Tuesday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning commute. Additional details. The heaviest snow is expected between 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission remind motorists to adjust speeds based on driving conditions as winter weather impacts Ohio roadways. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.